Hi everyone, this is Carrie Lowry from Bridgeville Public Library and South Fayette Township Library. Within this series, we will provide information about how to get started with research or what you should know before starting with databases, and different databases that are free with your library card from our Allegheny County libraries. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to locate specific information on the databases, I'd like to talk to you about Boolean operators. You may have learned about this before, and it's incredibly helpful when working with databases or researching materials because they help narrow or broaden your search results depending on what Boolean operators you use. Boolean operators are the words and, or, and not. Use them in between the terms you're searching for. So if I were to go to Google and type in puppy and kitten, it should find results with only puppies and kittens. It won't find just puppy and it won't find just kitten if I use and. Using and in between helps the browser understand that I want both of the terms when I'm searching. The word or means I want everything. That means the terms by themselves, the terms together. So they'll find everything with puppy, with kitten, and puppy and kittens. When you use the word not, the browser or database should recognize that you do not want to find any information on that one word. So in the example puppy not kitten, the search will find puppies, but it won't find kittens or puppy and kittens. The word not is a little trickier to use on search engines like Google because the formula that Google uses automatically puts ands in between all of your search engines because it's so publicly used. It's taking the word not with an and in front of it and behind it, and then finding all of those words together in the results. So not might not work as well when you're doing a search on Google, but it will work with the databases that I'm going to show you during this series. Something that is special with the library system we have in Allegheny County is that our libraries all share collections and databases. All of the resources that we have within our communities, including the databases and e-resources that we're going to go over during this series, are completely free with your library card. And what's even better is that you can access these resources from anywhere as long as you have internet connection or internet access. If you don't have internet access, what's really nice is that most of our libraries within Allegheny County have hotspots that you can borrow with your library card for free as well. The other thing to know is that every library should have a page on their website that can send you to our databases or e-resources that we have available. Just for convenience on this slide, I have provided the link so then you can skip that step and go right to where we have the databases available. And I'll also make sure to put that in our description as well. But for anybody that might need it, it is https://elibrary.inetwork.net. Once you're on the eLibrary website, you'll want to locate the Resources A to Z tab. And the reason why I suggest this is that sometimes looking at all of the information that we have, the resources, can be a little overwhelming. So just having it in alphabetical order can be helpful. And you also have two options whenever you click on the Resources A to Z tab. It'll ask if you would like to have quick or full descriptions of the resources. My preference is using full descriptions whenever I'm doing research, and I actually had to do a lot of research within the last year because I was in grad school, and I found that a little more helpful just because I could locate the databases that would best fit my need. And last but not least, here's my contact information. If you would like to reach out or if you have any questions at all, I would love to hear from you. Make sure to check out what's happening within our libraries. We're having a lot of in-person programming happening starting this fall, and we would love for you to continue to check out all of our virtual programs that we have going on as well. They're all on our Instagram, our Facebook, Twitter, and on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye.